Hey Jake, hope that shoulder's getting good. Got together just a couple of quick little footwork drills that you can do, and also some ways you can work the kicking a little bit to get that down. Footwork's kind of the core of everything, so you gotta have really good footwork, otherwise you're off balance and everything won't work. So the first thing is make sure in your stance that it's almost like I'm standing on railroad tracks. I'm just sending one foot back a little bit more. Knees are bent, always bent. And if you look from the side, what I like to do is my front foot, my toes are kind of pointing straight ahead, but that back heel's off the ground. It kind of loads those muscles up. I'm ready to push and ready to move. The first one is a forward shuffle. With the footwork, pretty much anytime you move, whichever direction you go, that's the foot that goes first. So if I'm pushing forward, my front foot will step first, my back foot will slide up. If I go backwards, my back foot steps, my front foot slides. Same for left and right. When I get ready to do the forward move, I've got my back heel off the ground. I'm going to push with those muscles, step, drag, maintaining my feet under me as much as I can, keeping that same width, still staying on the railroad tracks, up. When I go back, I'm pushing off of the front foot, back foot steps, drags back, step, drag. Everything is step, drag. You can see I'm doing a really good job of maintaining my feet under me. The width is the same. I don't become very tall where it's easy to lose balance or get knocked over. The other thing I don't do is I don't start surfing. I don't start turning to the side. Now, if I'm going left, push with the right foot, step, drag. If I move to the right, push with the left, step right, drag back. Everything so far is step, drag, step, drag. Basic footwork, up, back, left, right. Now let's add some pivots in. What I'm going to do, if I want to pivot in, my back foot is going to swing like it's going around the clock, probably from like 6 o'clock to maybe 7, 7:30. That's the move. If the attack's coming in and I want to dodge it, pivots, passes me, and I can step right back again. If they're charging in, what I might do is I might do a pivot and then a little realignment so I'm back square to them. If I pivot out, this is the tricky one. If I pivot out, my front foot's going to step. See that shoulder turn? Shoulder pops in. There's the move. Again, if they're coming in really fast, I want to realign, might be a step and an adjustment if that's what I want. Kicking. One of the best ways to do the kick, particularly while you got that arm recovering, whichever arm, that arm I think, while that arm's recovering, is to do what I call Tai Chi kicks, which just means you do them really slow. Try to feel the muscles working, feel the balance going. Do front leg, do back leg. So pretty much what you do, keep your hands up. I'm just keeping it down because the microphone on this camera isn't the greatest, but let the weight go to where it should. Bring the knee up slowly. Extend the foot as slowly as you can. Re-bend, critical. Set the foot down where you want it, right? What happens, most people, is after they kick, they don't re-bend the knee, and gravity's kind of deciding what's happening. My shoulders have gone forward, I'm off balance. When you do this with your roundhouse kicks and your side kicks, make sure your supporting leg, the one you're standing on, the heel points right towards your target. So if I'm going to do a left leg roundhouse kick, the first thing I'm going to do is shift my right leg so my heel's pointing towards the target. Then I'll bring it up and I'll do the kick. Set it down, adjust if you need. Hope your recovery's going great, and we miss you in class. I want to see you soon.